Hey guys, John Gregory here. Today I'm going to show you our quick cover stick. This is for concealer, this is for contour, this is for foundation, this is whatever you want to use this product for, you can use it for. It comes in 17 different shades, so we have a shade for everybody. I like to use a brighter shade like under my eye area, and then I like to have a more warmer tone for like bronzing, contouring, adding shape and dimension to the face. I'm gonna take shade Teak, and we're gonna take it here, here, we're gonna go here, and here, and we're gonna just hit those high points, and then we're gonna take it down the bridge of the nose, on the side of the bridge of the nose, and then we're gonna hit it right here too, just a little. There's a couple more areas that we can hit, so I'm gonna hit it right here, here, just to get that out. Okay, now let's grab that kabuki brush, and I'm gonna use this mirror. We're just gonna blend her out. We're gonna blend up, up, up. Blending up, and then we're gonna blend, when we're on our forehead, we're gonna lift this hair, and we're gonna blend this out into the hairline. Like we're gonna blend it out. Just like so. And then we're gonna go down the center of the nose, or down the sides of the nose, and just get that nice and out. And then take that where we went in and just blend out that on the eyes. So you can see as we just warmed up the face. So now we're nice and bronze. We're not one shade. We got some nice definition going in here. Got some bronzer on the eyelids, and we're looking good. Let me get a little bit closer just so you guys can see that. See this whole area right there. Nice bronze, beautiful. Now for the center of the face, that's where I like to bring a bit of brightness and lightness to the face. So I'm gonna take shade Honey, which is like this nice, like warmish tone. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna warm this up on the back of my hand, just like this. Warm, 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 warm. Nice emollient texture. And then we're gonna take our ring finger. This is going to go under our eyes. We're gonna pick up here from what we put on the back of our hands. We just warmed that product up. And we're gonna look up, and we're gonna tap with a ring finger under the eyes. And this is just to brighten the center of the face, bring some lightness back, and also make it look like we just had 8 hours of sleep. We're gonna do it on the other side. Up, 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 up. And then I like to take it on top of my eyelid as well, just to cancel out those blue veins that I have, and I know a lot of people have. So, go get more. Bum, 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 bum. We're just gonna blend this down and out. And just like to have this here. Bring that lightness into the face. And then down the center of the nose. And then we'll also do the forehead. Pretty much anywhere that you would put like a concealer or like a highlighter, somewhere that just to bring some like warmth or lightness back into the face after we just did the contour. We don't want it to get too muddy. As you can see, it's like picking up really bright on the camera right there. But let's just keep on blending, and then I'm going to set it with powder so that we're not super, super shiny. Now, I'm just going to take this kabuki brush, and we're just going to blend that into where we had those contours. And so we're just marrying the two together. We're tapping, we're not rubbing, we're just pushing those products into our skin, which these are also vegan, cruelty-free, so push them into the skin all you want. I'm gonna go in with the medium, and I'm gonna hit that right here, and hit this right here, and here. just so we are not shining back. Okay, nice even coverage. Doesn't look too cakey. Look at that. Look how it mattes that. It just mattifies it right away. And not mattifying to a point where it's like cakey and it like sits heavy. No. There's hyaluronic acid in this powder as well, which is grabbing the moisture from the air, bringing it to your skin, and just allowing it to just be nice and supple and not flat and dry. All right, guys, so yeah, that is the quick cover for you. It is nice, beautiful. Look, where are the pores? Tell me where the pores are, guys. I'm poreless. I'm beautiful. I'm gorge. I feel gorge. I don't feel heavy. I don't feel cakey. I don't feel gross that a lot of makeup likes to do likes to make you feel. I don't feel like I'm clawing off so much of my products. But yeah, that's a quick cover for you. If you guys have any questions, go down in the DMs. I will be there. I'll be answering any questions. But yeah, that's all I have for now. Until the next video, I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya!